Hey, it's Cousin Tim in Missouri. What I'm going to do today is make a sugar-free barbecue sauce. Here in a couple of weeks, we got Shannon and her family coming down from Iowa to have a baby shower for her oldest son, who still lives down here in Missouri. So I'm going to be smoking some pork butt, then doing some pulled pork sandwiches. We need a barbecue sauce to go along with it, so let's see how we do this. Come on, let's go. All right, so what we got here, we're going to do some garlic powder. Got some ground white pepper. Got some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, apple cider vinegar, tomato sauce, some stevia brown sugar, sugar free. That's where this is going to come into play. Liquid smoke, jar to put it in. We're going to get it over here on the stove. Heat this stuff up, meld these ingredients together, and we're going to make a really great barbecue sauce. So hold on, we'll be right back. So what we got here is a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce we're going to go in with. That's going to be the base of this here barbecue sauce. Get a spatula over here and get every bit of this out of here because I don't want to miss any of it. All right. So, being sugar-free, we like to keep an eye on our glucose levels around here. We had a little, or I had a little scare here a couple of years ago where mine had shot up way high, and it was in my best interest to lower my sugar intake. So, do a lot of alternative methods here as far as like using different kinds of sweeteners and things like that. And this this brown sugar substitute is incredible. It's just like regular brown sugar. You won't ever know the difference. And this barbecue sauce is going to be delicious, I guarantee you. So what we got here is a teaspoon each of the garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika. We're going to go in there with that with our spices. We got a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. We have about a half a cup of that stevia brown sugar. And we're going to go in here with probably, let's say go in there with about a teaspoon of some liquid smoke. That's a hickory flavored liquid smoke. Get this all nice incorporated. Bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to let it simmer. And it's easy as that. Let's make a good barbecue sauce. We'll have with those pulled pork sandwiches coming up. I'm going to let this come up to a boil. Let it simmer for a little bit, and then I'll be back with you, and we'll give it a little taste, see if we need to adjust anything in there. But I'll be right back. All right, this came up to a boil. I've had it simmering for about 15 minutes or so. I'm going to give it a taste and see if there's anything we might need in there. I think the only thing we might need is maybe a pinch of salt. Just a little bit salt in there. Man. A bite of that cayenne comes through in there. That white pepper. This brown sugar does a trick in there. You never know the difference. That is way better than any store-bought sugar-free barbecue sauce you'll ever make. So I'm going to get this jarred up, and then we'll put it to the taste test when we do those pork butts in a couple weeks. So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'm going to jar this up, and we'll see you next time.